Nai mai koutou, ko Kason, ahau. I am Kason.
And kia ora, Winton School. I am Charlie. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ramini, the 11th of March.
Okay, we start the day with a big kia ora to all the monsters, villains and baddies out there who have dressed up and also bought books from this week's school book fair.
There's a parade for all the costumes on the tennis court and at 10:40 and plenty of prizes for best dressed.
Straight to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast today is high from 12 until 4 and now potae and cried from 10:30. Kia ora.
Okay, HI VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is heke, which is te reo for down.
As in heke, get down.
Heke, which is te reo for down.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
School Council news. Can the 2016 School Council please meet Mr. Wadsworth in the group room at an earlier time of 12:45? Thank you.
Touch news. Whakarongo mai koutou.
Practice for the Winton Leopards at morning tea time today. Please meet Jack and Archie at the library steps.
Winton Whirlwinds. Can you please meet in the junior lunch area also at lunchtime?
Winton Wombles. You have a practice at lunchtime. Meet at 12:40 by the library steps.
Winton Wipeouts. Please meet Georgia and Briley at junior lunch area at 12:40.
And Winton Stags. Can you please get to field 5 by 3:45 for a quick practice before your game? Kia ora.
Birthday news. Tinkerbell Whaalongo is turning 6 today.
That's ara whānau kia koe. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tinga. Have a great day.
And that's it for the week. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kite te wiki. See you next week.
Haere rau and stay classy, Winton School.